Why travel by sailboat? Here are a few reasons dear to my heart. Number one, it's a beautiful way to explore, discover the world. Did you know that 2/3 of our world is ocean? So what are we doing on land all the time? For me, one of the most exciting reasons to travel by sail is to explore places, new places, remote places, the less touristy places that otherwise you would not reach, or it's either too remote, too expensive, or maybe you have no idea it exists. I've arrived in dozens of islands and bays I had never heard of before. And through that, you see the most beautiful nature, meet lovely local people, and discover food and fruits. You can travel further, more remote, more raw, more rural. Another beautiful reason to travel by sailboat is the connection to nature that it brings you. Sailing is a pure way of travel, very close to nature. You just go where the wind blows, and it gives the ultimate freedom feeling. Most of us spend more time indoors than outdoors, and it makes you forget the natural world that we're coming from. And by being on a sailboat, you are all the time surrounded by it. I remember this one day, for example, in the Atlantic Ocean. It was close to sunset, and suddenly there is dozens and dozens of dolphins jumping on the horizon. Moments that you never forget, and it also makes you realize and makes you more aware and conscious of all the nature around you. Because also on a sailboat, you don't just live with the weather, you are ruled by it. And there's no traffic, no news, no advertisement, no civilization. It is pure. By being on a sailboat at night, looking up in the sky, you can see the most beautiful night skies. Another reason to sailboat travel is the low impact it has. You are moving forward, propelled by the wind. With the power of nature, you reach new places. And that is pretty cool in itself. That said, sailboat travel does have its impact, but it's minimal compared to other means of travel, and especially if you do your part. Air travel, cargo travel, car travel, it's noisy, it pollutes, and also it's so fast. Which brings me to the next point and benefit of traveling by sailboat. It makes you slow down. We all go so fast these days. It helps you to embrace a slower pace of life. So it's a brilliant opportunity to disconnect and take it easy. Another top reason to travel by sailboat is the amount of memories that you make. Every day there are so many happenings and events. Whether you're just island hopping, sailing the coast, or sailing across the Atlantic, from the morning to the evening, memories for life. There are going to be so many new experiences, from discovering fruits to seeing dolphins on the bow of the boat, the sunrises, the sunsets, the laughs, the moments you share with your fellow crew, the situations you're probably gonna get yourself into, the things you learn. So many beautiful memories for life are being made, and those are the days that you will remember.